Okay, here we go. We started at 10 o'clock this morning. Took us about 7.5 hours. It's still far from perfect. Lots of divots and stuff that's going to have to be fixed. But a rotary sander rented from Home Depot with the most coarse pad that they had. And then the next pad that they had was more finishing. And that finishing actually works real well with the leftover stuff. I mean, the coarse can only do so much, and then the leftover, and you still see the little spot of glue right there. That's going to be actually covered because the seat's going right there. So we tried to do, I got to fix that divot, that came from the factory. So we tried to do all the walkways really, really well. Anything that's exposed, we're going to go back with tough coat. So I got to fix all these divots and try to make them as smooth as I can. Then we're going to tough coat it and start putting this stuff back on. But no vinyl for me. I'm never doing this again. 7.5 hours. We thought it would take 3. And that's 2 people running the machine for the whole 7.5 hours. No breaks. Looks pretty good though. I'm pretty happy with it. All right. I'll take a video on the next move.